Hello, we are in the 2nd of October, and this is a technical analysis for NVDA, Nvidia Corporation. We'll be starting with the weekly view, and we see this green support where price is right there and actually starting to pierce it down. And the idea is also for a possible trade plan at your consideration is to go long but wait for price to go down further and fill some lower price entries as will be presented. Now I'm going to the closer view and looking at this possible measured move. The start is where Nvidia was at all-time high on the 22nd of November. This is the middle of the measured move, as you can see here and over here. And this measured move would be ending at around 111. Uh, Measured moves sometimes price goes near the measured move, whether before it or past it. So that is an orientation and not an exact price for a turning point. So I'll now erase this, and I would like to cast a net of buy entries as a trade plan in anticipation of a reversal. We've also got the 100 round number, which is significant, and these are all quite far from the current price. So I'll go to the trade plan. The trade plan is basically casting a net from all the way from 121, which is very close to the current price. You can also use it as orientation. Some that do not want price to possibly go up if the market is going to reverse on Monday. Also depends on the Nasdaq. Can also use this as a guideline and update this 121 to the entry price they see on Monday, so to catch some hook. And they can also change the number of shares. I'm here going on 30 shares. Okay. Now, if the price is going down, I'm buying more shares. Okay. I'm buying one share at 121, two shares at 119.5, three shares at 116.5, five shares at 112, and so forth, eight shares. And my last buy is 11 shares at 97.75. The weighted average entry is 106.89. If all these orders get filled, this would be my entry. Now, when I'm buying, if and as the price goes down, I don't have a stop because basically my risk mitigation is buying at lower prices and averaging out a lower entry price. But once this gets filled, I must put a stop. The stop I put here is 10% below that average entry price. So 96.2 is 10% lower than 106.89. My take profit is 20% above that. So I'm going for a 2-to-1 risk ratio. And according to this plan, buying 30 shares, I'm spending about $3,200. Of course, you can just times it by whatever you want. You can, for example, put 300 shares and spend 32,000, and then yeah. So the multiples will just make will continue the same logic in principle. So going back to the plan of 30 shares, I'm I am risking 10% of that, risking $320, and my profit target is double that, 641. So on the 300 shares, that would be 32,000 risk and going for 64,000 reward. Now, note also that my final stop, is quite well below that 100 round number. So if we are to pierce that, I've still got some healthy stop below that. Here's what the position looks like on the chart. So it's here. Okay, this is again once all the orders get filled, and it would be looking like this. Okay, so basically we've got a lot of space, a big net here, even if the price tends to, uh, even if it fills, by the way, some of the orders, right, and retest that green support line, and then another, and then breaks up, we've got some additional support. That is why what I'm personally going to do is going to not take the full profit target if it gets there. This is our profit target as seen here, the 128.27, but actually take 50% off if it gets there, okay? And then also update my or raise my entry to a point where there's no more risk. You can look in the comments further. We'll be following this NVIDIA technical analysis and the development, and I will be probably updating within the comment section. Also, let me know on forexlive.com. Find this post, search for NVDA technical analysis on Google, find it on forexlive.com, and please do comment your opinion regarding this trade idea and this technical analysis. Trade at your own risk. This, even if you don't trade it, it shows the idea of basically anticipating. This is an anticipation, okay? Anticipating the fact that we will be reversing soon, not yet. We're still downtrading. It's still looking good for the bears, but we are planning a reversal. Okay. Thank you. Visit Forex Live for additional interesting creative perspectives, hopefully, and hope it works out for you. And also hope it has some learning value regarding how to scale in a trade and how to target better prices in anticipation for an event like a reversal. Thank you.